Hello and welcome to Group 1's presentation of a cataloging issue. My name is Jennifer Krieger. When discussing possible issues in cataloging for this project, Sarah stated that there is often a lot of stuff in a library that needs to be cataloged. Therefore, as a group, we decided to tackle the cataloging issue of cataloging non-book materials, or stuff. During this presentation, you will be hearing from Sarah Downey on how to catalog games, toys, and puzzles, Jennifer Krieger on how to catalog sound and video recordings, Dana Peterson on how to catalog graphic materials, and Samantha Say on how to catalog cartography materials and historic artifacts. But first we wanted to discuss why you should catalog non-book materials. As we all know, materials other than books are becoming an increasingly large and important part of our school library collections. We have shelves of CDs, DVDs, maps, and puzzles. You may also have some e-books that you offer, or you may provide sheet music or technology devices for your school. All these items and more are part of your non-book materials collection that needs to be cataloged. So why catalog these non-book materials? According to Douglas King, contributor to the LIS career website, it is important that these items are cataloged well, because high-quality cataloging facilitates easy access to materials and information that patrons seek. The Guidelines for Media Resources in Academic Libraries states, bibliographic and holdings information about media resources should be made accessible through the same retrieval mechanism available for other library materials. The online audiovisual cataloger's website provides a rationale for cataloging non-print collections. One portion of this rationale states, full and standardized bibliographic descriptions of non-print resources facilitates a heightened awareness of the full range of information resources a library offers to its population, a consistent means for both the local and remote user of the catalog to search the entire collection through a single interface, and an identification of material that represents a significant expenditure of library funds. So basically, it comes down to providing easy access to library materials for our patrons through proper cataloging procedure. You might be asking yourself what type of items are considered non-book materials within a library. Some of the more common items include, but are not limited to, cartographic materials, which include maps and atlases or globes, 3D artifacts such as games, toys, puzzles, sound recordings such as audiobooks and CDs, motion pictures and video recordings such as DVDs and Blu-rays, and then graphic materials such as flashcards, pictures, and charts. Now that we know why we should catalog these items and what items are considered non-book materials, the next step is to know how to catalog non-book materials. Some basic guidelines include cataloging in accordance with current national standards and practices to provide maximum information to the user of the library catalog, including full subject access, description, system requirements, and classification. Catalogers should also remember that summary statements in bibliographic records should supply users with important information about the content and purpose of these materials. In the upcoming sections of our presentation, you will be provided with more information on how to catalog non-book materials that fall into specific categories.